Hello and welcome to another one of Direct by Force Fishing Guides. Today we're going to take a look at the Bentley Bentayga. So you're going to come with me, we'll take a look underneath. Okay, so first thing you'll have to do when you come down here is there'll be a series of plastic trays which you'll have to take off and sometimes cut away from a bit. But you can put these trays back on once you're finished. So we start with the rear bracket on the passenger side. You will have to cut a bit away there. There's a bolt which should already be in the body, and use that there, as well as one that's might not be able to see it from here, but there's one in the sill, and you'd use that as well. There. So if you come along to the middle bracket, there's a T-bolt here, and one here, if you cut away this bit to the end of the tray, make space. Again, T-bolt here, and one here, and if you cut away a bit of space, you may find you might be a little tight in this space here. If you do have troubles, you can just use a slightly smaller T-bolt, but hopefully that does go in alright for you. It's the same on the other side, T-bolt, T-bolt, and then make sure you cut some of the tray away, make things easier for you. Again, middle bracket, T-bolt here, here, cut away a bit of this on the tray. The rear one, the bolt here is already provided, should already be there, and hidden in that sill, you might not be able to see it, just about perhaps, and there's another bolt in the sill. That's all really, because as I said, make sure you remove the under trays, otherwise you won't be able to get to any of the fixing points, but you can put them back once you're finished. If you need any more assistance, there should be instructions provided in the box. There's obviously this video, or you can give us a call and we should be able to guide you through it. That's all for now from Direct 4x4. We'll see you again.